Are you also managing a car rental business? Then this video is definitely for you, because today we are going to learn how to set up a WhatsApp chatbot to handle rental queries for car rental business. So as an owner of a car rental service business, I am receiving multiple inquiries from my customers and new leads on regular basis on WhatsApp regarding the prices, availability of the car, duration, etc. But handling each of the inquiry manually is a time-consuming task. Therefore, I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of a WhatsApp chatbot that I am going to create without any coding and programming skills with the help of an amazing software Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to handle all the inquiries automatically and also going to automate the responses 24/7 for my customer engagement. So for your business, if you also want to learn the process of creating this amazing WhatsApp chatbot step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot to handle rental inquiries for a car rental business. So as an owner of a car rental business, I am receiving multiple inquiries from my customers and new leads on regular basis regarding the rents, the available cars, options, offers, etc. I need to handle all these inquiries at the same time in order to promote my business and improve my sales. Therefore, I have decided to automate the entire process with the help of a WhatsApp chatbot that I have created without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So first of all, I'm going to show you that how this bot is actually going to work. So when a customer is going to send me a message on my WhatsApp number of car rental business, then immediately the bot starts responding. Let me show you a live example. So here, let's say as a customer, I'm going to send a message as, "Hi, I want to rent a car." As soon as I've sent a message, I got an instant reply automatically from bot. "Hi there, welcome to Drive Now Rentals. I'm your assistant for a quick car rental queries. Before we start, may I know your name?" It is asking me my name. When the customer is going to reply the name, let's say, as I have sent a name, it is replying me along with my name as test customer. "Nice to meet you, test customer. How can I assist you today? Please choose an option." Let's say I'm going to select check offers. So here it is providing me the deals which they have today. When I'm going to click on book now, I got the link from where I can book the car. So you can see that how easily the flow is working, how easily the bot is responding to the customers automatically. In the similar manner, you can also create this amazing bot for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing all-in-one WhatsApp marketing and automation tool which helps you to create WhatsApp chatbots for your businesses. And not only the chatbot, but you have some amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow. So let's get started. To start with the process, just open a new tab. In your browser, type pabbly.com/chatflow, which is going to take you towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, you will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. On the dashboard, we can find all the credits which are allotted to us, the credits which we have consumed, the credits that are remaining with us, and much more. You can add your WhatsApp number to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account from here. If you want to learn the full process of how to add your WhatsApp number and how to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account using WhatsApp Cloud API, for that we have already created a video. It is uploaded on our YouTube channel. You can just go and watch it from here. Also, if you are using multiple WhatsApp numbers to handle your account, you can create separate folders over here to save the number separately on the dashboard in organized format. Okay, apart from creating chatbots and the flow builder, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow as well that I'm going to first of all explain you in brief. Although we have created separate detailed video tutorials for each of these features on our YouTube channel, they are uploaded. So if you want to learn any of them in detail, you can just go and watch the videos. Okay. So let's start with the inbox. So inbox is an amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow that helps you to manage all your sent as well as received messages. If you are using Pabbly Chatflow as your WhatsApp automation tool, you do not have to open your WhatsApp account or WhatsApp web again and again to check the status of the messages which you have sent or your received messages. You can manage all those things over here at one place only. Apart from this, you can also check the status whether the message is sent, delivered or read by your customers. Then over here we have the contact section. with the help of which you can create separate contact list of your customers or of your leads, dividing them on the basis of their requirements and segments. Okay, then we have the team queue section, by using which we can assign chats to our different team members on the basis of round robin method. Also, we will be able to track the performance of each of the team member with the help of this, which will help us to collaborate with the team effectively, effortlessly, and increase the productivity. Then we have the template section, by using which we can create customized and creative templates along with the variables and media to be sent to our customers, leads, or anyone. Okay, in this way you will be able to send the messages in the personalized format automatically. Then we have the broadcast section, by using which we can send mass messages to huge list of customers, to huge list of leads, or anyone with the help of creative and customized templates. Then we have the flow section, by using which we can create customized chatbots for our businesses, which we are going to learn over here today. Apart from this, we also have the settings section, by using which you can manage the settings of the entire application and entire features. And also we have the get help feature. If you seek any help regarding the features or Pabbly Chatflow, you can just go and click on this feature. All right, so let's start with the flow now. To start with the chatbot, we have to click on this add flow button. We are going to create a flow. Flow is going to decide what message should be sent next automatically to the customers or to the leads on the basis of their response. So basically our chatbot is going to work on the basis of flow. Okay, so to start with the flow, first of all, we have to give a name to the flow. So let me give a name to my flow as, let's say, WhatsApp chatbot to handle rental queries for a car rental business. This is the name of my chatbot. Now I'm going to move forward towards selecting the flow starts. So how you want to start your flow? As I told you in the beginning of the video, when customers or when leads are going to send us certain messages to inquire about the car rental service or inquire about our business regarding any of the questions, those messages will contain certain keywords which our flow is going to identify, and automatically the bot will start responding. So you have to identify certain keywords which you could receive as a possibility from the messages of your customers or from your leads, and those keywords you have to enter over here to start your flow every time. So let's say some of the keywords which I think I could receive for my car rental business could be hello. If you want to enter a word as your keyword, you will simply enter that word. You will click on enter. It will turn into blue and it will be added as a keyword. Okay, let's say hi, hey, then we can have car, rent, or we can have offer, or we can have duration. And in the similar manner, we can have multiple keywords. But here is a condition that we are going to receive messages sometimes from our customers in long text or paragraphs. They are not going to just directly send us the keywords like this, like just exact word. We could receive multiple sentences, paragraphs, etc. We need to identify the keywords from those messages as well. Then only the flow is going to work, otherwise not. So in that case, we are going to enter the keywords in the form of regex. Regex is actually regular expression which helps us to identify dynamic variations of the keywords from different kind of messages of your customers, of your leads, that too automatically, and then it is going to start your flow. So here we have a particular format to enter regex, that is you have to enter backward slash, you will enter small b, you will open a bracket and you will start entering all the keywords which you think you could receive. So let's say hello, you have to separate the words like this with a bar sign, or we have hey, or we could have hi, car, duration, or we could have fee, or in a similar manner, all those keywords which you think could be added over here. Okay. Once you will complete adding the keywords, you just have to simply close the bracket. You will once again add the backward slash and small b. And your regex is ready. Now it is going to automatically identify the keywords from the messages in any of the variation, and it is going to start your flow. Also, if you think you are going to receive some of the keywords in the case sensitive format, you can just toggle this button on. I have completed my flow start, and once I have completed the flow start, I want to first of all ask the name from the customer or from the lead, so that further I will be able to address the customers with their own name and make my communication more personalized. So here for that, I'm going to just ask the question, and here I'm going to select ask question step like this. I'm going to connect my flow start with this ask question, and the question which I want to ask is, hi there, welcome to Drive Now Rentals. I'm your assistant for quick car rental queries. Before we start, may I know your name, please? So here, as I've entered the message, now when they are going to receive the message, my customers are going to reply me with their name. And I want that name to be directly added in my contact custom field. Therefore, I'm going to select full name as contact custom field. How you're going to select this full name inside your contact custom field? For that, you will simply go towards settings. You will go towards contact custom fields, and from there you can select any of the detail which you require as contact custom field. When you're going to receive the replies from your customers with the name or with any of the detail which you have selected, then it will be automatically added in the contact custom field section of your Pabbly Chatflow account. The contact will be created, and then further in your communications you can automatically use those details when you want. Then here I'm going to select text as the format of the name. If you want to send the reattempt messages, you can also select the number of reattempts you want to provide and also the validation message you want to send along with the reattempt. Okay, I'm going to ignore these fields. All right, now the next message which I want to send along with the name of the customer when they have replied with their name is going to be the options which I'm going to provide them, that how I can help them today. So here I have selected text plus buttons, as I'm going to provide the options along with some buttons, as I've told you in the beginning of the video as well. So here is the message. Nice to meet you. I have used full name over here, that is the contact custom field, along with a $sign. As I have used contact custom field along with $sign, now automatically the name of the customer is going to appear over here when the message will be received to them. Okay, so in the similar manner, you can use contact custom fields of different details along with a $sign to make it dynamic and variable. Okay, so here I'm going to provide the options that what they want to explore today. First of all, the option will be if they want to view the cars which are available, or if they want to explore the pricing of each of the car, or if they want to contact the support. All right, these are the three options. And for each of these three options, now I'm going to send separate messages. Before moving forward, keep saving your flow so that it could be updated every time. Now let's move forward towards the view car option. So I'm going to send the message if they want to look for the car. So the message will be, okay, full name again with a $sign. Here I'm going to make it bold. Choose a car type to explore options. I'm going to provide them three options according to their need. First car type will be sedan. Second will be SUV. And the third will be hatchback. For these three options, now I'm going to provide them the available cars if they are going to select sedan. So I'm going to provide them the option as, so we have available sedans, Honda City, Hyundai Verna, Skoda Slavia, and we have the rates as well for each of the car. Then we have comfortable and stylish for city drives and business trips. I'm going to provide them a button of book now and also to go back to menu, back to main menu. If they want to go back towards main menu, then I'm going to provide them the details over here. Okay, as I'm providing prices already along with the car details, so I'm going to go for check offers in the second button. Okay, if they want to look for any of the offers. All right, now here I have connected back to menu button. If they are going to click on book now, I'm going to send them the details that how they have to book the car. So I'm going to send them again another message that is going to be, ready to book, please click below to select your car and enter your details here. So here we have the link by using which they can just enter the details and book the car which they require. If they do not want to book, they can just go back by clicking on this back to menu. Okay, now if the customer wants to explore SUV cars, then I'm going to provide them the rates and the details of SUV cars available in our rental service store. So here we are going to enter the details as, so available SUVs are here along with the rates per day, ideal for road trips, family travel and rugged terrain. So after reading these details, if they want to just book the car, so I'm going to provide them the button of book now, and I'm going to quickly provide them the details again by connecting this message with the link message. All right, as I've done that. Now let's go back. We have the third option of hatchback cars. So again, I'm going to provide them the details as available hatchbacks, Swift, Hyundai, Tata Ultros. Here we have the rates as well. Best for city use, easy parking and fuel efficiency. Again, if they want to book the car, I have provided them the button for that. I'm going to quickly connect this button with a link message so that they can provide their details and book the car and make the payment. Again, if they want to go back, so I will just connect back to main menu button once again with the main menu option. Again, I'm going to provide the button here as well. I'm going to provide the button to go back to main menu, and I will again connect it with the main options. Okay, so we have completed the first part of the flow. Let's quickly save it. Let me first of all arrange it, and we will click on save. Then the second part is to check the offers. If they want to look for the offers which we are running on everyday basis regarding the car rents, so here I'm going to send them the message as today's special car rental offers. We have these offers. Book any hatchback today and get 10% off. SUV deals. Here we have sedan deals valid only for bookings made today. And here if they want to book now after reading the offers, I'm going to provide them the button to book now. And I will just simply connect this book now button again with the link message which I'm providing to enter the details and book the car. Okay, if in case apart from this they want to go for the third option, that is to contact the support, so then I'm going to provide them the details regarding that, and the details are: one moment, connecting you with our support team, a representative will be with you shortly. And here in this way I'm going to send them the message so that they can connect with the support team. Also I'm going to provide them the details as, if you want you can call us on. Now here, as I have completed my flow with all the options, I'm going to quickly save it. And the flow is updated. So as I have saved my flow, now I'm going to show you that how this flow is actually going to work for my car rental business. So I will take you back towards WhatsApp quickly. So over here I have opened WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number of my car rental service business, and I'm going to send a message as a customer who wants to rent the car. Let's say the message is, hello, please let me know the rent of the car. As I have done that, you can see I got an instant reply. Hi there, welcome to Drive Now Rentals. I'm your assistant for quick car rental queries. Before we start, may I know your name? I'm going to provide my name as reply, let's say as new customer. As soon as I've provided the name, it is saying, nice to meet you, new customer. Automatically it is replying me with my name. Now, how can I assist you today? Please choose an options below. So let's say I'm going to select view cars. It is saying, okay, new customer, choose a car type to explore options. Let me select sedan. And here it is providing me the message of the details regarding the sedan options available. And here when I'm going to click on book now, it is providing me the link from where I can just quickly book the car which I want. Also here it is providing me the rent. So in this way actually the flow is going to work, and also you can see that the bot is perfectly responding automatically with simple and easy to understand messages and buttons. So here in the similar manner you can also very easily create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for handling all the inquiries which you're receiving for car rental business. You do not require any coding and programming skills to create this chatbot. It is effortless and easy. So thank you for watching the video.
Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. You can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free. So go and try it now for free today.